Hi guys, in this particular video we will be talking about how to import the employees database into your MySQL RDBMS system. Okay, so in case if you wanted to import the employees database into your MySQL Workbench, so the employees database is not available by default, so you need to install it from the internet. Okay, or you have to download it from the internet. So for doing that, we have come up to the official website of MySQL database. So if you see dev.mysql.com here, so the database is given on the GitHub. Okay, it is not available like a normal zip file. It is available on GitHub. So I have already put it that particular link for you. So this particular link is my official GitHub ID. Okay, so I'll just take it. I will just show you right now. So my GitHub ID is tushargoel02 TestDB. So this is the data is not prepared by me. That is officially available from MySQL. So I have already forked it. I have already copied the same database from the official website. Okay. So if you see the official website is this data charmer TestDB. So either you can just download it from here or either you can just download it from my particular profile, and you have to just simply go to code and you have to click on download zip. So once you click on download zip, so the file will be downloaded, and this particular zip file contains all the data. Okay, all the dummy data, okay, or dump data you can simply say, which contains every code which will help us to take this employees database into your MySQL. So for doing that, so just go to code, click on download, or either in case if you know about Git, so you can download it from here itself. Okay, so we click on download zip, and once I click on download zip, I have this particular file into my own system. Okay, just I will show you in a moment. So you see I have this particular testdb master. Okay, and this is the file which we have downloaded from GitHub. So you need to just right click here. You have to extract the file. Okay, so extraction is important because we cannot directly take the file from internet and we can use it into our MySQL database. So we have to extract it, and once you extract it, you will find a folder. So I have a folder which name is testdb master. Okay, so if I go here, so which contains every file, whatever file we have, so it contains every file. So just what we have to do is we have to use this particular file using the command prompt. So we know like what is command prompt, that is basically a CLI version of using Windows. Okay, so open the command prompt, copy the location from the top. Okay, and just simply do a simple step. So just write down cd and copy the location, whatever the location you have copied, so paste it here using the control V option, and you will be on the same location. Okay, so because we have to run the file, so we have to be on the same location where we have extracted the content. So this is the file where we have extracted the content. Now so what you have to do is we have to simply import the MySQL database. For that, we have to run this dump file. So whatever dump file we have, that is employees.sql, so that file should be executed with the root user. So make sure to execute the same file with the root user. So how we do that? So simply just write down MySQL u root-p employees.sql. Although I will provide the same link in the video description, you can just find it out from there. So just run it here, copy paste it and execute. So because as we are running this employees.sql file as a root user, so we are going to ask for a prompt for the password. So we have to give the password here. So you have to just give the password, whatever password you have given for the MySQL database root user. Okay, so I have just provided the password. So it's a 4-digit password, so I've just provided it. In case if you are executing it and you get an error like MySQL command is not an internal or external command, so I have already provided the same video description, okay, or the same video like how to solve this particular problem in the suggestion. So if you check the suggestion bar, so you will find out that video. You can check it out and you can solve that problem. So what it is going to do is it is going to create this structure. Okay, so this employees.sql file contain the complete data, okay, to create the department table, to create the employees table, to work with other database, whatever databases we have. So it is going to take some moment for us. Okay, it may take some two or 3 minutes or 5 minutes for us, so don't worry about it. Okay, so once it is been completed, we will be validating whether the things that we have imported, whether it has been done successfully or not. Okay, so once it is going to upload the data, So see, all my table like department employees, department manager, title, salaries, everything is been keep loading and it is going to have the data for us. Okay. So we take for a moment again until and unless the complete load is been done. So guys, so just have a look. Okay, so we have already loaded the data completely. Now what we have to do is we have to validate whether this particular like import has been done successfully or not. For doing that, so what we have to do is we have to simply run another command, that is basically this employees underscore md5 file. So again I just copy paste the same command and I paste down there. Okay. So it is going to again ask me the password for MySQL. I provide the password. So it is going to do is it is going to check whether the records are being same like what we have expected or not. Okay. So it contains a larger amount of data. So you see it's like in the employees table itself. So employees database has an employees table. So which has around like see 3 lakhs data. Okay. So it is going to validate whether every data has been taken completely or not, or there is some sort of a issue. It is going to validate, and once the validation is done it is going to give you an answer in a form of table like okay, 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 and okay. So if you get that particular output, so assume like you have successfully imported the employees database into your MySQL workbench and you are ready to go and you can easily work on that. So we again wait for some moment, okay, just to see whether the file is been done or not, and if it is been done we will be just checking it out using the MySQL workbench here. Okay, or either you can use MySQL shell, whatever you feel correct. So guys, see, like we have already test like whether the complete file has been imported or not, and once we have imported, so the validation is been done, and for every file or for every table you get a okay message. Okay, so that means you have successfully done these things here, so you don't have to worry about it. So we will be checking it out how to work with that. So I have already imported the MySQL workbench into my Windows, so I will be just opening it, and after opening it I will be just going with my connection, and it is going to ask me the password. So I just provided the password, and once the password is done we have to we are going to check it out whether this particular part is been done or not. So I will just show you. Okay, so just simply do one thing. So just type use employees. So it has some sort of a issue, so I just reconnect it once more. Okay, so just let me reopen it again. Okay, because I am in hurry, so sometimes it happens. So with MySQL, so you don't get a particular screen properly. So I think there is something which is going on here. Okay, I will just check it out. Fine. So I don't know what is that issue. Yeah, that. Okay. So I use this employees database. I will just show what type of tables we have. So I just run show tables. I get every table here and I will just show you the data. So from employees, and we got the data here. So I hope you have enjoyed this particular video, like how to import the MySQL, sorry, how to import this employees database into the MySQL workbench or into your MySQL database. So the steps are quite simple. So just you need to do it step by step. You have to follow these steps and you are ready to go. Fine. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. So I will just check it out. And I will just see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day. Enjoy. Bye bye. Sayonara.